Some weird weather we got here going. That little dot right over there that you're looking at, that's actually a star. But if you, I don't know if it'll show up, but you can see the cloud. This storm is coming from east to west, actually. So I'm right now in my garage. But it looks clear over here, but if I went to the backyard, it'd be a different story, and it's pretty dangerous back there. I'm not gonna chance it, but I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit, see if I can catch anything cool, but I can't guarantee anything. So, wind's picking up. But you are facing west, and the storm is coming from the east.